So the first thing we will be doing is starting by drawing a oval, not a circle, a oval with a normal pencil, and then coloring it with Staedtler's or watercolor pencils. I have different shades, yes, you can see here, and a brush to mix them all. Start by black. Down here, this side on the bottom right will be the most darkest, and the lightest part will be near the upper left corner. So I will be going lighter and lighter, and I will be not applying too much pressure because they are watercolor pencils, and after adding water they will show up their magic. So I am nearly done, and now I will be adding water using a brush, and now you can see rough outlines, and after we add water they will be so good. You can see how satisfying it is. It blends so well. That's why I love Staedtler's or watercolor pencils. So don't worry about the things that come in the corner by mistakenly, because we will be cutting most of the part of it. So we will blend it properly, and then now we will be adding shadow using black Staedtler, and then cutting a lot of part of it so that it seems floating to. So here we go, we are nearly done, and you will see the floating effect when we see it from one angle, and that's from bottom. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and also share this video with your artistic friends, and comment on which topic would you like the next video to be, and you can be responsible for my next video. And also comment what you think of this video, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, you unsuck yourself by pressing that subscribe button, and while subscribing don't forget to hit that bell icon. And hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.